As much as I hate saying goodbye to this pretty little summer kitchen vignette, it's time to switch it out for fall. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. And just in time for fall, we have this pretty little pumpkin joy fall apron. So goodbye to those pretty little pink and white spring and summer florals, and we'll have to find something that's a little bit more fall-like. For some reason I'm thinking I want to use this in my vignette this season. We'll see. I'm liking this color for fall, but I don't know about these, and I typically keep these in here, so we'll see. I pulled these things out here, and let me show you my other bed. I moved my table out of the way, and then I had my husband get this bin of stuff out of the attic. There's some cute little things in here. Isn't this cute? Well, considering how small this tray is, I'm sure we have more than enough to work with. I like using this black and white buffalo check towel in here. I always like to have some herbs in. We'll put those right there. Little Indian corn. I am really loving the way this vignette turned out. As you could see, it took me a minute to sort it out, but I really like this kind of a poppy color picture right here in the vignette, and then the collection of flowers and little pumpkins and the other icons you see from fall. And here we've got the reds, orange, and golds that you see from summer. So I am really loving this. And then of course the cattails and little browns and things like that. Just love it. And then down here on the tray itself, I brought back this little Santa Cruz mango jam because One of the things we're doing in the fall is making jams and jellies from the fruits of the season. And then of course everybody's got squash and zucchini and all those things growing right now. And the corn is in. And then of course pumpkins are coming on strong. So I'm really pleased with the way it turned out. And just as a reminder, this video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by myself, This and That with Denise Jordan, and Leona Dooley at Ebony, Ivy, and Time in the Kitchen. And the two of us just really wanted you guys to bring just a little bit of pretty into your kitchen to celebrate the season, to celebrate fall. If you're not familiar with Leona Dooley, I will link her channel with an iCard above and in the description box below. And we'll also link the playlist so that you can see what all the other creators have done, because there will be some amazing, amazing examples of what you can do in your kitchen to bring in a little bit of pretty, just a little bit of fall. And then whenever I do my kitchen vignette, it's always time for me to do some other decorating in my kitchen, so it's time for me to get that started as well. And be sure to check out my August diaries, where I'm showing you how I use my planner to stay on track with my housekeeping. To see more of the fall kitchen vignettes, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying, you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out the playlist for the fall kitchen vignette, and I will see you next time. Be sure to visit us at www.aprondiva.com.